Hi guys, Dr. Pranil More is there for my PRP and my biotin PRP is ready. That's Preeti's sister and it's again going to be without local anesthesia I suppose because that's what Dr. Pranil is intended to. Let's see how it goes. This betadine to clean the areas. Kindly use vibrator because I feel comfortable with vibrators. Dr. Pranil is not going to use local. So because of vibrator, I am not feeling much of the pain. I better show you that how it goes. I would say in this 1 month, I had experienced some of the papules and some pimpleish lesions on my donut area. And even my recipient area, I had one kind of a growth or a papule or small, I would say pimple-like lesion. So what I've experienced that one that ruptures and the new head comes out of that.
Hi guys, this is the 4th month of my hair transplant and I'm going to shoot this video for my 4th PRP. You can see my result. My hairline has started showing up. People are now appreciating it, noticing the change in my look. Even when I'm combing my hair, I'm seeing myself. It's a different feeling and it's altogether a kind of a new look which I'm enjoying. Yes, by saying all this, I also know that I have to maintain my hair and I'm hoping for some more densities. So this story doesn't end here, and the post-operative medications, the application of minoxidil, maybe PRP should be continued, and it has to be customized as per each and every patient. My vitamins are coming to the normal levels now, so I'm taking my vitamin tablets, my omega-3 fatty acids, and a healthy lifestyle with minimum stress as minimum as possible. Hair loss is an aging process, so we all know that it's going to happen, but whatever I can lengthen this process by doing whatever means, I'm going to do that. All these methods, as I talk to my patient, that they are the speed breakers in the overall hair losing thing. So a patient is supposed to go bald by the natural process by 45 years. By creating all these speed breakers, introducing some medicines and some PRPs and regenerative medicines, we can lengthen till 55 years maybe. And there is a whole fundamental behind hair restoration procedures and surgeries. Now let me just show you my 4th PRP. You must have seen my initial PRPs, but since it is one of the last procedure into the hair transplant in which we give to our patient, which is a hair transplant and 4 PRP, I am just going to end this by showing you the 4th PRP.
So one of the thing I wanted to mention that I have kind of regained my all sensation in the implanted area. My implanted area was numb, which is again one of the kind of complication or a side effect which we explain to our patients. Since we are putting grafts there, and to put a graft we do a lots of slitting there, it injures the superficial nerve fibers and the area becomes numb. In 2.5 to 3 months, the new nerves regenerate and your sensations are gained back. So in today's time at 4 months end, I am having all my sensations which was not there in 2nd or 3rd months, because during that time it was very numb and dull feeling was there. But now if I touch my hair in the implanted area, I'm having all my sensations. Yeah, that's the only thing. My donor area is good. Sometimes I feel the tiny follicles even in my implanted area. But what I have realized that the moment the graft comes out, it settles down on its own. There is no need of any antibiotic most of the time. but again, every patient has to be customized. If you are having some pus filling papules, you may have to start on an oral antibiotic or a local application that your hair transplant surgeon will advise you. Thank you. By saying all this, I want to kind of wind up this video and have a healthy life. Bye.